Going ghost doesn't mean vanishing forever. It means disappearing with purpose. You don't go ghost to hide, you go ghost to rebuild, to reset, to return sharper, stronger, unrecognizable. How to disappear. The more you talk about what you're going to do, the less energy you have to actually do it. Silence protects potential. Step 2. Unplug from noise. Social media, gossip, endless news cycles. They all fill your mind with other people's chaos. You can't hear your own thoughts when you're drowning in theirs. Step 3. Change your environment. If your surroundings keep you stuck, even a small shift, a new workspace, new route, or rearranged room can trigger progress. Change the scenery, change the story. Step 4. Get obsessed with discipline. When you go ghost, no one's watching, no applause, no validation. That's where self-respect is built. You keep promises no one sees. Step 5. Build in silence, reveal in power. When you move quietly, results make the noise. Let your growth announce itself. How to transform. Step 1. Rebuild your habits from zero. Not the perfect ones you dream of, but the simple ones that get you moving. Wake up, move, read, work. Small wins that stack. Step 2. Replace escape with effort. Most people distract themselves from their problems, but few face them and turn pain into progress. Step 3. Work in private until you outgrow your old identity. Progress feels invisible before it becomes undeniable. Trust that stage. It's where transformation happens. Reappear unrecognizable. When you reappear, you won't need to announce it. Your presence will do it for you. The same people who doubted you will look twice. Your silence will speak louder than their noise. Go ghost. Reset. Rebuild. Reappear. The world won't recognize you. But you will finally recognize yourself.